Hey guys, first of all, thank you to Boost Oxygen. This has become a very essential part of my life today, post-COVID recovery. And thanks to my fiance, she was the one that found it. I had never heard of it. She found it in the Walgreens. You can find it on Amazon, some Walgreens around you, maybe CVS. It's called Boost Oxygen. Most athletes use it, football players, basketball players, you name it. And it's very essential. I mean, you're running out of air, you're running out of gas, simple. Then you catch your breath. And for me, that I just beat COVID and I ended up with severe pneumonia, I have cancer all over my house. And it's very helpful. If I go out of the house, I have to walk around with this because you think that you're okay and then you're missing your oxygen. I can't catch my breath. And it's gonna take a little while to recover. But because of this thing right here, I keep it in my pocket, I move around with it, and it makes my life very simple, it's very effective, and I recommend you guys try it out, man. You're gonna like it.